car.
Yeah. Really. Hello.
Hey, how are you today?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Two of the kimchi ones, please.
Two of the kimchi.
Yep.
This is your first time to try kimchi.
Yeah.
Last time
Yeah,
I
sounds
remember
good.
you like salad, didn't you?
Yeah. Didn't have the kimchi last time.
No, no. Yeah.
Yeah, I do like kimchi.
Yeah. Next time, please let me know how you think about this kimchi.
Okay, we'll do.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good weekend.
You too.
Can I get two of the sausage and
Two of the sausage.
Can we please get one of the original
Original?
skewers? We'll add the salad
With
to
the
that.
salad?
Yes, please. And I'll get one of the kimchi onion skewers with salad as well, please. And one of the sotil.
Soft express?
Sotil. Yep. Please.
You can take this tray if you want to. So, thank you.
If it's food,
Yeah, take plenty. And yeah, it's good.
What is the cheapest meal at the moment? What's the cheapest meal?
Cheapest meal is $8. You got the menu or?
This is the cheapest meal. $8? Oh shit.
No worries.
Something to eat tonight.
Something to eat.
Oh, let's use tomato sauce.
Tomato
Or
sauce, you
barbecue
want?
sauce.
Tomato sauce this way?
How much? Thank you.
Have a seat and then we go. Good, thank you. Bye.
See ya. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, that was lovely.
Thank you very much.
you.
Have a good weekend.
You too.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Oh, you're gonna see.
Interesting.
Yeah. I didn't smell any alcohol, so they were.
Well, I couldn't even see it from my bar. You know, like I didn't even notice. Yeah.
Let's get the original one.
One original one?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, just two of those, please.
Two original?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Can I grab one original and one sweet
One
garlic
original, one sweet one.
with the crunchy noodle on top?
The bottom set?
Take that. That comes with yeah, yeah. Yeah, right. Cheers. Yeah. Good share, couldn't you? Yeah. Just to try it. French ski and skewered fried rice. Yeah.
I hope you.
That's not what I have.
This is sandwich.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Original. Perfect.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah. Can I have the sweet chili?
One
Original green sweet chili.
Yeah.
And the garlic soy.
Yeah.
And the one of the Frank's
Sausage,
sausage.
yes.
Yes, thanks. And can I have? I might have this. I might have the
Salad.
those two with the salad.
Salad.
Yeah. Have you only got pork?
Yes, I can.
The no knife. Thanks. I'll come back for the other. Actually, it might be alright. Thank you. Chuck.
Hello.
Hey mate, there you go.
Good, how are you? Yeah,
Come
something new.
Can I get that, please?
Yes.
And can I try the kimchi onion chicken skewer, please, mate? So you're getting a few done. Getting a few done prepared, are you?
Yeah, yes, for we have 26 people cooking.
Oh,
From
shit.
4:30, I know. So
Jesus Christ.
little bit of preparing.
Do you make that? Do you make your own kimchi or?
No, for me, need to eat, I make a little bit, but not for selling.
Nah, too
Because
hard.
it's, yes, and then the taste is going to be changed every day.
Yeah.
Yes.
We hear like fermented or something, do you?
Yeah, because it's fermented
Yeah.
cabbage pickle. So
Yeah.
made, and then 3 days later, and a week later,
It just gets more and
it's
more.
sour. Yeah.
Yeah. The longer it sits in there, the longer it by the
Yeah. The right temperature.
Yeah, makes sense.
You need to have the kimchi actually. Kimchi fridge. We do have in Korea. Kimchi fridge.
Kimchi.
We only put kimchi there. So all different.
Oh bullshit, really?
Yeah, all different type of kimchi. They need the right temperature. So.
Oh, we got something like that in Australia. It's called the beer fridge.
Yes, very similar things. Very similar things, I guess.
Not quite the same, but you know.
Yeah, because you love the beer, that's why you have the whole
that little fridge,
Yes,
yeah.
It's kimchi is same, and then kimchi has smell, right?
Yeah.
So if you put normal fridge, when you open the door, you could smell the kimchi.
Kimchi sounds good. Thank you,
Thank you very
mate.
much.
Sounds good. Thank you,
Thank you very
mate.
much.
A little takeaway one. Little.
Yes, this one.
Yep. My favourite one, the kimchi ones.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
It's delicious. They really, yeah. It goes so nice with the fried, and it just balances it out perfectly.
Ah, it's
hey?
good. It's good. Not too sour, not too salty. I wonder about the
Absolutely.
salty.
No, spot on. It's really,
Good.
really nice.
Good. Yes, this is
But this for
Israel.
Ah, cool. Another line is where we pulled up, there was a guy lying on the ground over the tube. That's what the ambulance was in. Yeah, that's when we were on, yeah.
He came here 2 couple of hours ago, and then he doesn't really smell any alcohol, but he wasn't.
Yeah,
He just couldn't really walk properly.
there's so many things these days, it's not alcohol, like, don't worry about alcohol. You know, you see some of the drugs in America, you know, they
Yeah,
that drug
yeah.
zombie drug.
Kensington,
They all put
wasn't it?
walk around like this.
Kensington Street.
I can't believe it's got worse.
The government can't control it. There's no point to have the country there. I don't know.
Just
they
on the
should
streets,
stop
but all
them.
these people, they just stand there.
Yes.
Yeah, very sad, hey?
Right. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
See ya. See you later.
Later. Thanks very much,
See you
Alana.
later.
Come
바이바이.
here,
티셔츠 어디서 났대? 빌리카 틀 거네. 예쁘네. 아 여기서 파는구나.
Yeah.
티셔츠 really pretty.
The orange.
아,
Yeah, she got the orange.
I see.
Kerensky sausage, please. Is it been busy tonight?
Today, not too bad, but from 2:30.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah. That'll be nice for you. Yeah.
Hopefully.
Are you at any markets this weekend?
This weekend is it? Zonda?
I'm not actually
Mariba, actually, it's
Yeah,
Mariba.
because there's a show in Malacca, that's right.
Well, Mariba, you need another license for this. Yeah, you can't use Tableland one. So
That makes sense. That's,
you can
that's,
go, yeah, Yongabara, Malanga, every market, Tableland, but not Mariba. I don't know, Mariba is not Tableland.
yeah, I think it's another council. Yeah.
Yeah, so council, yeah, when I went to the film day, then we're gonna see you soon. You can have this broken sotak as well. Sausage.
Can I get a tips?
Sausages?
Yeah. How do I say it?
Sotak.
Stop.
Oh, very good. Yes. I'm going to Korea very soon.
Oh, nice.
For holiday, but
I've got a friend that she's got a cafe in Seoul.
in
Yeah, I
Seoul.
used to work
Wow.
with her, yeah.
I thought it's not gonna be busy, but actually all the like food festival is in these 3 weeks, and the junk festival, Tolga market.
Oh,
and
nice.
I'm gonna miss all of that. So if
Oh,
I
that's
knew
okay.
earlier
You'll be back.
for next year, yeah.
Yeah. It'll be fine.
Thank you.
Hey, you liked coming the other day, didn't you?
Yeah. I want to try another menu because I saw the other table looks really nice with avocado. So
Oh,
I'm not
yeah.
sure what it was, but I will work it out.
Yeah, it's on the specials board. I'll tell you.
Yeah, thank you.
Do you have like hot, spicy?
Not very spicy. Yes. You like spicy? Spicy. So I should make actually one very spicy one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you drink more beer.
Yeah. Right. Have a good night. Thank you.
You too.
What's your favorite?
My favorite is this sauce with salad. It might be Korean style. Finish work? Or something? Finish
Yes. When do you finish?
work? Today gonna be I think little bit over 9 o'clock.
What?
So big day. Like 13, 14 hours working. Set up 2-3 hours before and then clean up as well after every working.
I'm gonna sleep very well tonight.
Yeah, I think so. I started 1st January this year. So it's just over half a year.
Do you like it?
I really enjoy it, but actually really hard too.
Yeah.
I thought it's gonna be hard, but it's harder than I actually thought. I love cooking. My mom had restaurants in Korea. She owned a set. And I thought, I love food as well. And I thought there are no Korean food out here. So I will introduce some different Korean food. Yeah. Here is very popular, so I keep this menu and then one other menu maybe with me.
It
So
looks
people can choose.
delicious.
Thank you so much.
I've actually been wanting to get a bit more into Korean.
All right. You can see the sign outside. So there are
Yes.
some different
We were
menus.
driving and we turned around. We were like, we're gonna go
I was
here.
like, oh my god, we gotta get some Korean food.
Thank you very much. I would introduce there are a lot of different Korean food. So I do on my own, so I can just try whatever I want to do. So yeah.
That's
So.
really good.
You're doing a really good job.
Oh, thank you very
Do you aim
much.
to like own a restaurant one day?
I was thinking before, but actually I heard many things. It's so expensive the rent at the moment, and interest is so high. So if I have the shop that I need to have someone to help me, and I need to pay that as well. All the rent, power, all the bills, and after I pay all that, I still need to make some money for myself.
Yeah.
But I can find it so hard.
And if you also hire some people, then you also have to pay them.
That's right. Yes. For now, I wanted to just whole year like this, like temporary tent, and we see people like my food or not, then maybe get a van later, but I'm not sure. At the moment, I'm happy. It's a little bit hard to set up and then take down, but I'm happy with this. The low risk. Yeah.
But it would be great if you like do end up opening a shop. That would be amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Good luck. We will definitely be coming back.
Thank you. I found that a lot of the people, many customers actually really, really nice liking you guys. Many good, yes. bit like
That's really good that you
yeah.
have a lot of support.
Really warm, yeah, that's right. When I work at the farm, I don't really, see like local people, Australian people. But when I started this one, I was really nervous, but everyone really nice and warm, kind. Yes, so,
A lot of people do love like small business.
yeah, they try to support me as well. So yes, so happy. And, yes. Thank you very much, guys. For
Have a
your
great
guys'
time.
Yeah, thank you. Bye. Yes, let's say it's going to be very busy. That's because of your
Hope so. Hope so.
How are you, Bob?
Good. You know, I did 3 days of that.
Is this for like, would you say that's for one person or would that be for two persons? The serving size?
The skewer,
Yeah,
one person.
One person? I'll get 2 of the green sweet chili, yes please. Then I'll also get 2 of the kimchi onion chicken skewers.
2 of the kimchi as well.
I'm gonna find a way to pack this.
You want to take this home?
Yeah, is there a takeaway or something? Thank you.
Don't have any,
That should be alright, yeah. I think if they're just protected.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Hello.
Let's go on the sweet garlic sweet.
One sweet garlic?
There's nobody will know you.
No, all good.
Thank you very much.
Would you like the bag?
Can I get is like I don't know.
Original.
There's an original and a sweet garlic.
Yes, it's skewers like this.
Can I get so and one is $12?
Yes.
Can I get one of each?
One
so
each,
one
one
original and one sweet
garlic.
garlic. Yes.
How would you like to pay on card?
Yes, please.
Last night was really warm, but today is cold.
It's cooler, isn't it?
Yes.
I put a coat on this afternoon because I thought I'll put a coat in just in case. I'm glad I did.
I think good, yes.
Yeah. So you just need to stay next to the cooker.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Thank you. Amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you.
안녕하세요, Victoria.
Give me 30.
Oh, good.
Is Alex coming?
No, I talked to Alex. I'm not very busy. So should be okay until you come. 와, 나 소떡 소떡 Which one? 소떡 소떡? 아, DJ. Hello.
How late do you serve?
Well, I think it's gonna be 8 to 8:30
Okay.
until I come out.
Or you No, we're just asking because we're the band, so
Ah, you finish 8 o'clock, right?
we finish it
Oh,
at
excited! This is first time, so.
Okay.
Fighting, fighting, fighting.
The chicken tenders in the box. Last time?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, on the
Just
tray.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Can I get 2 of them, please?
2 of them?
The sweet chili.
2 of them sweet chili.
Yeah. Thank you.
Very much.
Thank you.
Chicken skewer.
Hello, it all looks delicious.
Thank you. I love your flower.
Oh, thank you.
Beautiful.
Would it be possible to order and pay for something and pick it up after our gig? We finish at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, we see. I'm not sure how long.
You'll be cooking
I can-
for.
yes.
Yeah, not to worry. I'll catch up with you another time. I'll go hungry. Don't you worry about
Oh,
me.
I'm so sorry. I should let you know, but 2 hours you have no break, just keep singing and
We can't stop at 8. It's not time to enjoy food. I want to take something home to my husband. That's right.
No, it's okay. I can keep it for you then.
But if you do it for me, all the band's going to come in and say, "Oh, keep it for me,
What
keep
about
it for me, keep it for me."
I keep 20%.
Exactly, and you have nothing to sell. So I just have to come back another night when you can eat anytime.
Yeah, soon.
Later. Yeah.
Should I pay for it now and then can I just come and say can I have it now? So I'll pay for it now and I'll come back.
You should then probably take the number then, just in case.
I've had one before at the Honey.
I see. Did you like? 이거 미. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm gonna try some scary things. I just saw some boys over the corner with one. What did they get?
There are different menus. This one is like sweet chili sauce. This is like garlic sauce.
Is it Calbee?
No.
Okay, different.
Yes, big.
Okay, can I get one of these, one of these, one of these, and one of these? Awesome, thanks. Will you yell it out? Will you yell it out?
Well, it's gonna be ready in 1 minute.
1 minute. I will wait for 1 minute. You only have a little voice, you see. I don't know that I can hear it. So, alright, I'll go deliver these and I'll come back. This one is sweet chili.
안녕. How can everyone come over?
밴드 here today.
어?
유랑 안녕.
안녕하세요,
얼마만이야?
오빠. 오빠 왜 이렇게 오랜만인 듯?
그지?
네. 자기,
Yeah.
maybe don't eat skewer.
No, I won't.
I don't think. I only have 30%
I'll
left.
go home now.
미안하다.
Only I think you can sell the
Should I?
오케이, 오케이, 굿.
Can I have one sopa?
쏟다 쏟다
One
올리면 돼.
original, one sweet garlic. These are our house crew.
아, 안녕하세요.
반갑습니다.
One 섞어.
잘한다.
그래, 나 먹어라.
3 쏟다 쏟다?
원.
원 쏟다 쏟다?
자기야,
술도 한번
자기 안
마시고.
만다니.
예, 그러니까.
오, busy tonight.
이벤트. Look at this island.
Oh, good or not good? So why do you think that happened?
너,
The duck maybe?
코리아야. 코리아. Sliding and Jim order one, right? I will give all this stuff and then maybe one more.
But Jay, you think you'll finish early?
Yeah, I think so.
Or give me a call anyway.
That won't punch.
Do you think you'll do soft duck?
People is people like, but it's hard to keep it soft. You try, Alex, if the duck is soft or hard. I like it. It's hard, right? Not soft, right? Hard. It's hard.
Chewy.
Oh, it's chewy. Oh, it's nice.
But it's okay.
Go with the
Okay. Have with the sausage, you can see.
Thank you very much. 야, 이게 다.
오빠 스키어가 중간에 떡이 좀 터지게 있어가지고.
it's already cut.
Never seen 밴드 here. 나 밴드 처음 봐.
그죠? 전 처음이에요, 오빠.
밴드를 불렀대? 웬일인데?
한 번씩 밴드를 부르는데 이제 오늘.
오늘 사람 되게 많다? 원래 나다 이렇게 많았어?
나들은 계속 조금씩 있었어. 저 지금 30%밖에 안 남았어요.
운 좋았네. 나 원래 6시에 오려고 했는데.
그래서 아까 이 연주하는 밴드분들도 다 와가지고 자기들 지금 사놓고 나중에 놓을 수 있냐길래 내가 언제 팔지 모르겠다 해가지고 이게 일단 일단 소주한테 팔아야 돼. 잘라서 내 키워야 되는데.
큰일 났네.
괜찮아요.
어제 이런 날이 있냐? 지난주엔 없었잖아.
지난주 언제지? 지난주 한풀이었나? 지난주 오빠 저 썩 다 팔았는데요? 남긴 거 없이.
Is it last day of school holiday today? 아마 오늘이 스쿨 할리데이 라스트 위켄드라고 그랬어.
오늘 이거 연주한다고 좀 이렇게 연세 있으신 분들이 많이 오신 거.
자기야, 진짜 맛있어.
진짜 맛있어?
리치.
I was gonna take the film for the soda photo.
Restart.